What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Happy 4th of July, my friends. Today, the market was closed and we're ready to rock and roll again tomorrow. With the open, there's a lot of opportunity, a lot of swing trade setups that I'm going to be going through with you step by step. Also, going to take a look at Tesla and just some of the 4th of July sales I have, and I'm going to do a giveaway at the end. So make sure you stay tuned and put your seatbelt on for a wild ride. If you can hear me, guys, hit me with a one, and then let's get right into it. What's going on, G-Man, Mike, Trading Wars Army, Philip, Gus, Anthony, Art, Bill, Wesley, Trading Wars Army, Corey, Marcelo, BD, Trading Wars Army, Marvin, Briggs, Chakra, Hepcat, T-Nagy, Lank, Carol, Gabrielle. What's going on, Trading Wars Army? Good to see you guys. Who else do we have? Ice, Mike, Wesley, Gus, Bill, Bar, BD, boom. All right. Okay. Let's start off, guys. Let's get right into it. So, the first thing we're going to have to do is let's examine what happened on Monday. Okay. Because there was something significant that happened on Monday, and there's something significant that happened on futures that might give us a clue going into this week. All right. So, here we go. Let's start off with Monday. All right. So, how many of you traded Monday? So, Monday was a half day. You can see here's the price action for Monday, 9:30 to 12:55. We had a half day, very tight range. And what that ended up producing, if we go to the daily chart here, it ended up producing an inside bar. Okay. Just similar to what we had on SPY about a week ago, the 16th of June, actually 2 weeks ago, we had an inside bar set up as well. But the difference is this inside bar is on very light volume. It's a half trading day. Okay. But there was something significant. Okay. Hey, Jonathan Will, welcome to the Trading Wars Army. Let's welcome Jonathan with the TW Army Spy VIP. What's going on? All right. So we traded on the Monday, guys, and something significant happened. Here we go. Let me hit the replay and I'll walk you through it. Okay. So the first thing that we want to do is let's go ahead and draw up the range of Friday. So we could see here we had this upper high and we had this low right here. So we had a pretty wide range. This was coming off of a gap up. Okay. And here we go. First 5 minute bar, bang. So you could see we're dead in the middle of the range and we start to push up right here. Okay. So after these first three bars, guys, what direction is this? Is this a bullish or a bearish direction? One for bullish, two for bearish. So if we look at this, guys, what is this? Well, the easiest way to tell, let's look at the first bar. You could see here's the low and then here's the high. So obviously, guys, we've gone in a bullish direction. We went up. So I wasn't expecting too much shenanigans on Monday. However, we did get this Fibonacci. And I'm going to walk in here to the Fibonacci live setups. So you'll see here's Friday. So, sorry, Monday. Right here at 10:43, we got filled long on the 618. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw this up. So here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so we have our high. Take our Fibonacci from the low to the high like this. And what we're looking here is for the 618. So we'll put on the basic. We're looking for that 618 pullback to buy the dip, get the calls for cheap, get the contracts for cheap so we can make the most possible gains. And then you can see right here, guys, boom. So there's our fill at 10:43. Hop back into the Discord. And then pretty much within the first 5 minutes, we got a partial, half an hour, another target, and the home run came within an hour. So usually that's how these Fibonacci's like to play out. Usually takes about an hour to get that new target, new high of day. So here we go. From there, bang. Okay. So we ended up closing with this rally. And as you can see on the 618, we put in this pattern right here. Okay. Now this is going to be the key I'm going to show you. What pattern is this? So for those of you who trade the indicators that I have, what pattern is that, guys? Well, this, my friends, it's an inside outside bar pattern. This is the Nirvana pattern. All right. So the first thing to understand is on Monday, we had the 618 pullback that was bought. Okay. So some type of algo looks like it was positioning itself into the rest of the week and they wanted to get in on Monday with the light volume. And you can see that 618 buy, and then you can see this Nirvana. Okay. And now let's flip over to the weekly view, and I'm going to use futures. Let's go to the weekly view, and here we go. We have a Nirvana pattern right here. All right. This Nirvana pattern closed pretty much near the highs. We haven't broke through the high yet, but you could see we're pretty close. So the same Nirvana pattern we're seeing on the 5-minute, guys, is putting itself up here on the weekly chart. And it's pretty crazy because the last time we had one was back here in 2021, which had a huge bull rally. Another one before that, 2020. And then this one, 2019, 2018. It looks like it's coming 1 or 2 times per year. Okay. So far for this year, this is the first one we've had. So this is an amazing, amazing swing trading opportunity. Plus the fact that it has a daily inside bar. This right here, guys, I'm looking for a really nice swing trade. So I've already posted the swing trades here for the Trading Wars Army members, and I posted them in the Discord, and I'm also going to post them on the Twitter. So make sure you're following on the Twitter. But essentially, guys, these are really good opportunities to swing, because let's say we break this high, that's our long entry, and we just put the stop loss on the other side of the outside bar. So we're only risking 1 bar. But look at the potential gains with these bars. See how massive they are, guys? Hit me with the 15 if you see that. Okay. So really nice play for the options, for futures, whichever instrument you feel comfortable with, guys. Really, really nice setup here. It could be once in a lifetime. So if the market wants to squeeze for the rest of the year, this will be this will be the last turning point of inflection right here, this Nirvana, and it could just keep going. Okay. So I'm looking for that, guys. The other thing that I wanted to show you is if you look at the futures market here, I'm on the 15-minute chart. If you notice on Sunday, we had this gap. We gapped up on the Sunday futures open, and we filled this gap right here. Okay. We filled the gap. And what pattern did we put in on the gap, guys? What pattern is that? So this one right here, this is the opposite of the Nirvana. This is the Holy Grail. So we put in a Holy Grail right on the gap fill, another outside bar as well. And since then, we've been rallying. Okay. If I drop some preliminary Fibonacci's for you guys, you'll start to see what's really happening in these markets, guys, here. So you can see here, I'm going to double click and I'm going to put on the golden zone. So you can see right here on that 50 algo. So the algos are being extremely aggressive because they are not even letting deep pullbacks come in. So some algorithm looks like it's been positioning itself since Monday, since the futures open, filled that gap right here strategically, and is trying to rally. Okay. So for the bulls, this gap fill right here, this low right here, okay, that was the Monday low at 9:30. So watch for that low to get taken out to see a reversal for the bears. Otherwise, guys, just really want to be long above that level. There's no reason to fight that trend. Hit me with the 15 if that makes sense. Okay. So you guys also know, so last week on Tesla, I called out this play on Twitter, once in a lifetime, and we went above the 24944 for the 250 calls, guys. If I had held those calls, or I just held my swing trade, I probably would have made 50 grand on Tesla. But I took $2,500 in profit in a day trade. I'm happy with that. But this one has just been moving extremely crazy. So I have my eye on Tesla. I just wanted to show you the power of these little inside bar breakouts that we take, guys. A lot of the times before huge moves, you'll have this consolidation like this, like this, like this, and then you can have these big moves. Hit me with a 20 if that makes sense. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. And that's it, my friends. I wanted to just keep it laser focused. So we had that 618 pullback. We took that day trade together in the room. And we have the gap fill on futures. We have the Nirvana pattern set up on the weekly chart here and ready to go. So some levels that I am watching for tomorrow, it's right here under the swing trades. So I have my levels 44394 with the 444 calls for July 14th, and then the short 44277 with the this one should say July. My bad. Let me just update that with the 442 puts. Okay. I also have the futures levels updated here as well. But I really think this week is going to be very critical. We're going into the second part of the year and things can get wild. And I hope you guys just hang around and stick around for the journey, and let's see how this plays out. at the very least, it's a really good trade because you risk one bar. So if it doesn't work out for whatever reason, let's say it gets filled, turns around, stops you out, at the end of the day, you just risk one bar to the potential to make, if this is the bottom for the rest of the year, this could be a 20, 30, 40 bar play that can make you hundreds of thousands of dollars if you play it correctly, right? So the risk to reward is definitely there. So let's focus on that. All right, guys, I just wanted to say there's 24 hours left in the July 4th sale if you guys are interested. So a lot of people have already signed up, and I want to thank you guys so much for that. Let me just go ahead and show you what that deal offers right here. Pull up tradingwars.com, and I'll show you guys while that's loading. So the other thing is for any Trading Wars Army member, okay, anyone with a green in their name, like Jonathan, Terry, what's going on, brother? Anyone with that green in their name, you are eligible for the Trading Wars seminar. So I'm doing a seminar on Sunday. All right. So let me just show you guys. Right here. So I'm doing a seminar on Sunday, the Golden Sniper Fibonacci and Future Seminar. I've been preparing for the seminar, guys. I'm going to show you some stuff. One second. I'm just going to give you guys a quick little overview. So I've been preparing for the seminar. I have some screenshots from the broker. I have a summary here, overview of some of the trades, some of the gains, 10 grand, different things I want to share with you guys. If you've never come to any of the Trading Wars seminar, this is a great chance to join and check it out. Okay. So I have that seminar coming up, and I'm going to go into the broker and teach you guys, whatever you need to learn about futures, about options. We'll get it all ready for you. So if you're interested in being a part of the seminar, like I said, for Army members for the first time are going to be eligible to get into the seminar for no charge. I don't usually do that, but I want to bring some hype for the mid part of the year. This is halfway through the trading year. Okay. So right here, guys, all you got to do is click that join button. Okay. It's $4.99 a month. You get all these special picks that I do, these spreadsheets, premium content, plus you'll get access to the seminar next Sunday. So if you guys are interested, okay. And just to wrap up, for the bundle deal, this is the 4th of July sale, my friends. So normally my bundle comes with 4 months in a room of your choice, all 3 books, my seminars, 100 trade challenge, and one-on-one session with me. I'll look over your trades. I'll give you guys, some tips on what I've gone through, and the Fibonacci bot. So normally it's 4 months for $7.99. What I'm doing for the 4th of July sale for the next 24 hours, it's going to be 12 months. So 3 times the value for the same price. Or if you want the 4 months, you can get the 4 months for half the price. So for $3.99, just email rich@tradingwars.com and I'll send you the private link because you won't be able to do that on the website. Okay. And just email me if you're Trading Wars Army member. If you don't have the link, I've already sent out the Zoom link for some members already for next week. All right, guys, that's it. I'm ready. I'm excited. Let's make as much as we can. Let's keep an eye on these Fibonacci's and let's bank as hard as we can. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll give you guys an update tomorrow. Okay. Thanks so much for your time. Enjoy the rest of your 4th of July. Take care.